I should also thank the Indian government for excellent arrangements for this important BRICS meeting and for the success of this meeting. We attach great importance to our relations with India. Iran and India are two ancient civilizations which have always had very good relations, and we have exchanged our cultural values. We have had very good trade and economic cooperation with each other, and very good political relations and political consultations. And we are certainly determined to continue our friendly and good relations with India for the benefit of both sides and based on mutual interest and mutual respect.